excited! Hi, MW friends! I am so excited to see you guys right now kasi meron akong review or kind of not first impression because I've used this beauty tool for 2 weeks na. So anyway, you can see it here. I already unboxed it because I've used it na nga for 2 weeks. I finally have my own Dyson Supersonic. So I removed the sleeves na. This is the sleeves from the box. So ayun na, I finally have my Supersonic. I really wanted this years ago. And nag-mature na talaga ako because when I was younger, chika lang, I used to be really, you know, like out there. Pag gusto ko talaga. Like, I have to buy it. But of course, ever since, you know, like working, syempre hard-earned money. So, whatever I need to buy, talagang kailangan nire-research ko. Which is good because budget tip, a lot of things that I put it on the cart or wherever online or put it on my list na gusto kong bilhin, after months or years, parang nawawala na siya sa wish list ko. So, which is good. But this one, hindi siya nawala sa wish. To be honest, expensive siya. It's a almost 25,000 hair dryer. What talaga? No, naririnig ko kayo guys, 25,000, 24,000 plus hair dryer. And it is Dyson. I knew about this brand years ago pa, even way before they arrived here because I worked as a headhunter. So, kind of knew a lot of brands from, you know, Southeast Asia. So, I've heard about this. I knew about their vacuum. And I don't know about the hair dryer. Parang feeling ko vacuum pwede because it's for the house. Parang hair dryer is just for me, or alam mo, parang hindi worth it talaga. But as always, as usual, Nikki, I've asked a lot of hairstylist friends. I've done a lot of research. Yun na. And there comes one day Lazada. This has been available for years na. So, I don't have to go through all the details kasi you have that in Google, in YouTube. I would know kasi nag-research ako doon. So, if you want more specs and details, you can find them. Just Google search. But me, I'll go straight forward. Why I like this product? Why is it worth investing? Or is it even worth for you? So I'm not asking you to buy this or spend as much as I did, but I knew that this is an investment I really need, supported by Mr. AMW. Thank you. So anyway, this is how Supersonic looks like, and it comes with different colors. It started with a fuchsia, and then this one, you know, for someone who seems to be kikay, I really like my electronics or any device plain color, either all white, all gray, all black, stuff like that. So this is like the perfect shade. I wouldn't pick any other. There's a red, the limited edition red, which I saw sa Trinoma that time, na super munti ko na rin binili. But I really wanted basic color that would last me for years because I'm the type who would take care of my things until years and years to come. So now this is how the Supersonic looks like. This is a hair dryer, and this is unique because alam niyo ng Dyson, ang technology niya alam natin na very up there. So I won't talk into, you know, like the super technical details, but I'll use it right now to show you. But prior to that, I'll tell you something about my hair. Yung strand ko kasi ng hair, bawat strand, mahimulmul yung hair ko. Like it's fluffy. So if I didn't blow dry my hair, it won't look like this. It will look like this and worse. So, parang nakaangat siyang ganyan, fluffy siya, makalat. So, yan ang original hair ko. I'm born with that hair. That's why my beauty blog was born, because I was on a search for good hair product or hair tools and hair service. So anyway, there's 2 major reasons why I purchased this pricier hair dryer. Because of its promise na it's fast drying, at the same time, very gentle daw sa hair. So, kasi, ito yung backstory. Ako hahaba na naman to. But anyway, ito yung backstory. When I had Yaya pa, okay lang, kahit paano you still have time for me time, kahit 5-10 minutes more than the usual. But ever since umalis si Yaya because of maternity leave, parang sobrang hectic na yung schedule ko. So, I'm always rushing because of course I have to look after or prioritize my son. So, I usually take a shower again at night. Kasi alam niyo naman ang schedule ko, di ba? Ayoko matulog ng madumi. Like, pawis or something. So, I always shower again including the hair. So, ang nangyayari, because my hair is long now due to lockdown and quarantine, parang ang hirap mag-dry yung hair ko. And I always ended up sleeping with super wet hair. And I'm always rushing turning the hair dryer in the highest setting para lang madaliin. Because I always ended up, hindi pa rin dry yung hair ko. So, yun yung major reason why I purchased this. Like, eto na talaga. Kailangan ko na talaga to. Hoping na talagang it will work. And here's the thing. It really works. Just to tell you, I didn't wet my hair again for this video. But, just to show you what's the difference with a regular hair dryer. Regular hair dryer, my hair will be dry completely around 15 minutes, high setting. Kasi what I do is when I dry my hair, yung malayuan, yung sobrang quick lang, hindi ako nag-style, like quick dry. When I had Yaya, it's always electric fan. Pero nung walang house help, it's hair dryer. I usually do it like this, 20 minutes, pinaka minimum, and then minsan basa pa rin yun dito sa likod. So, yun yung time talaga na mineasure ko. When I first used this, I really timed this and I was shocked to the core na 5 minutes, it's 70% dry na. Meaning, nandun yung dampness but not wet. Kung gusto kong totally dry, around 8 minutes to 10 minutes, I swear, as in nagulat ako, really cuts drying time. Yun pa lang, parang sabi ko, sulit na siya sobra because I always have dry hair at night. I always sleep better kasi I'm not used to sleeping. I don't know about you guys, kung naniniwala kayo, pero I don't feel comfortable sleeping with wet hair, but wala nang choice eh, antok na ako, na matutulog na talaga ako, or because I'm inside an air-conditioned room, hindi na talaga siya natutuyo. And I don't want to turn on a hair dryer na natutulog na si Kyle, baka magising. Here's the difference between this dryer and a usual dryer. The sound. Listen to it. So this is the heat setting, the red one. And this one naman is the airflow. So if you, this is the minimum. Level 1 heat is, let's put it on level 1, 2. So press lang. Level 2. Kita nyo? Level 3. Same, sa heat setting, another press, second level, and then highest setting, tatlong red. And this one is the on-off button, slide up and slide down, and you can press anytime this one for a cool blast. So if you like styling your hair, you would need a cool blast to set your hair. So let's go there later on. So this is the head. Tapos here, they have inside negative ion para daw lesser static yung hair. This is the smooth handle. Nandyan na yung dumadaan yung mga airflow. And this is a filter. Actually, this is cool. Nakikita nyo, may dumi siya. Na may dust. Kakalinis ko lang siya 2 nights ago. So, this is like the usual nasa likod ng hair dryer nyo, diba? But this one is located here. So, I try, don't touch it here while you're drying your hair. But just twist it like this. Nakikita nyo, may dumi na naman. So, it's easy to clean. Like, super easy. So, this basic kit comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 attachments. Ayan. And the good part about these attachment is that magnetic siya. So, super easy to change in between styling. So, this is the side na may magnet. So, just as easy as that. So, this one is my favorite to use every after shower because this is called the gentle attachment. Quick dry, gentle enough for your hair. So, I'll just turn this on. Max setting, both. And just quickly do like this. So, I do this hanggang matuyo yung hair ko. And as you can see, malakas man yung sound niya. It's a deep kind of loud sound. So, it's not irritating. It's not a screeching sound. The good thing about this dryer is that even if I use it on the maximum heat setting, kahit na ganyang kalapit, let me show you. max heat. Hindi siya masakit sa anit. And if you touch your hair immediately, hindi rin mainit yung hair nyo, which is super amazing because I have been burned so many times by my hair dryer. Kasi like mahaba yung hair ko, di ba? Tapos summer pa, so blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. Pag bagsak ng hair, tapos naka-sleeveless ka, sobrang init niya. This never happens to me. Like my hair is super comfortable to touch. And this is again, I've showed you maximum heat setting. Hindi siya mainit. May init siya, but not striking hot. Hindi siya yung painful na init. See? This kit also comes with a pad, protective pad that you can put your dryer para hindi siya magasgas. But I use this to remove this one easily para hindi ako mapasok. And then, they have two other attachments na I can easily use. This one, there's two. This one with a wider mouth. This one na mas slim yung mouth. So this is a smoothing nozzle to smoothen your hair. And then if you want to style your hair, go for this mas manipis na mouth. For demo, I'll probably use this one para mas makikita nyo yung effect. Now, Dyson also included an attachment na they call it diffuser. This is for those with naturally curly hair. Like, you can put this like this kung kulot yung hair nyo para habang binoblow dry nyo, na maintain yung curl ng hair nyo. Or, sometimes I use this as an attachment just to massage it all on my scalp. Tapos parang nagkakaroon ng lifting action. So, nagkakaroon ng volume yung crown area ko. So, I'm still trying it out. But medyo effective siya. But I'm still working it and practicing. But so far, here's what I really love about the product. Because very short lang kasi to. So, it's easier for me to style my hair. Hindi naman kailangan style na kulot. More on style na make it more slick or volumize it a little bit. It's easier. As you can see, mas nahahawak ko siya compared to those with longer na hair dryer. Nahihirapan ako kasi ganun siya, diba? And mas nakakangalay. So, this one, it has weight, but it's not super heavy. It's just right. So, hindi ako napapagod. At the same time, if lalo na yung nandito, diba? Parang nagka-twist-twist ako, ganyan, habang kumukuha ko ng hair. Hindi nasa-suck in or nasasabit yung hair ko dito at the back. So, that's another plus point. So, the whole time or the whole duration that I have been styling my hair, I am not perspiring. I don't feel irritated. Hindi mainit yung hair ko. It's warm but good to touch. And my hair does not feel as dry. Every after styling kasi sobrang dry yung itsura ng hair ko. So far, there is still the, hindi perfect yung hair ko, pero parang nandun pa rin yung moisture ng hair ko. Hindi siya yung totally dry. So, another plus point. So, I still don't know any negative except for the price. But, for me, personally speaking, because very important sa akin ang buhok ko for some reason. Again, that's the reason why I started my blog. We have our own priorities, but this is what I really wanted to invest on. I have had a lot of hair dryers that still work up until this very moment. Kung short naman yung hair nyo or okay sa inyo yung hindi mag-blow dry everyday, you don't have to purchase this. I'm just doing my review for those who are interested about this product as well. Kasi alam ko marami sa inyo nag-DM sa akin asking me how it works, if it's really worth it. Personally speaking, oo. Sobrang worth it for me. Yung cut drying time pa lang in half or more, okay na sa akin yon. And in the long run, hoping na hindi masisira yung hair ko from all the styling, from all the, kasi I really love to experiment. Even here in a quarantine period, I really love to do a lot of different hairstyles na nagpa-practice pa rin ako because I used to be a hairstylist, so I still keep on learning. I don't want to to stop learning. Ayoko na mawala yung hands ko on that part. So, yeah, I'm so happy. So, this is my super long review na naman. I hope you enjoyed it. If you reach this very, very end, mwah, 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 thank you so much. And if you have any other question, just let me know. Message me. I'm always here for you guys. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!